Heroin. Now, heroin is a powerful depressant drug. It reduces pain and slows down breathing. It is highly addictive, and users quickly develop a tolerance for it, meaning they need longer and larger amounts in order to feel the same effect. This increases the risk of accidentally overdosing, which can cause death. This means that they need more money to pay for the increased amounts of the drug they are taking. As the drug makes them less able to cope with everyday life and maintain a job, they may turn to crime in order to get the money they need. As it is so addictive, if a user stops taking heroin, they suffer from significant withdrawal symptoms such as nausea, muscle cramps, sweating, anxiety, and difficulty sleeping. Heroin can be taken into the body in different ways. One of the most common is injecting with a syringe. Now, as syringes needless cost money, heroin addicts may share needles, which increase the risk of transmission of blood-borne infections such as HIV.